Michael Forbes, otherwise called Lassie, 32, was killed after he allegedly pulled a firearm and pointed it at the police.
Dear my wonderful friends, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button and click on another video. Now we'll talk about Michael Lassie Forbes, another leader in the Stone Crusher gang from outer Norwood, Montego Bay. Dangerous boy, him roll with the one you name Bigger Crime. I will tell you how him demise. But before we go upon him, we are giving a little bit more facts about the Stone Crusher gang. Listen to this.
How did the Stone Crushers fund their operation? To raise funds, the Stone Crushers engaged in extortion and from early on, also identified scammers as persons they could extort and rob at gunpoint, without initially coming onto the radar of Jamaican law enforcement. So extortion and robbing scammers became the order of the day for the Stone Crushers as a means to make money.
Now just to recap the thing, you see how they make money? They make money by robbing the scammer them. But then after a while, the scammer them get smart too, and them have money, and them start buy them gun, and then one thing lead to the next. This is from about 2006, but you can see how the same thing play right up to 2022 October when we are talking to right now. Now, this youth here, Michael Lassie Forbes, he was a senior gang leader, and he did something extraordinary. He had escaped from Tambourine Farm prison. He was sentenced in Montego Bay gun court and he get 12 years. And this dude escaped from Tambourine Farm. If you don't know where Tambourine Farm there in a Spanish town near St. John's Road, it come in like a dolly house to blow out. But anyways, him escaped and went back to Montego Bay in a little town with them there, Norwood, and he created havoc. When him come out of prison, like him did I do him killing them on the low. But then him link with Bigger Crime and them do the triple murder. And from them do the triple murder, him name not stop ring like bell. Now, when Bigger Crime, the Lord of Bigger Crime, Williams dead, he was one of the man in the car with him and he escaped. So Bigger Williams dead and him escaped the killing from the police, then him escaped from the police. Let's go. What really set off the police then? July 2006. The man them do a murder with them kill 5 people. And also comes the police them. So no, them have to get rid of that money dog. And at that, set them upon him. And then they put up a reward money for the boy, Michael Lassie Forbes.
What made it more frightening, the elderly couple, 57-year-old Mrs. Malcolm and 62-year-old Mr. Bonteque, were not caught in the part of stray bullets. No, the gunman had kicked down their door and just sprayed them with bullets. Most disturbingly, their killers also set their dwelling place on fire. The previous torching of the bodies of the common-law couple, the trademark beheading victim surrounded by burning candles, the 2 containers of gasoline in the abandoned car, now the setting of a fire to the dwelling after slaying this elderly couple, was clue enough that fire may have been a stone crusher's trademark, and seemingly had some significance to the gang, a sort of calling card. In the absence of hard evidence, speculation flew far and wide. Gang-related activities had played some role where motive was concerned. What was not speculation is that Forbes was implicated.
When you hear how wicked the man here is, dog, when you hear what the man them do and how them operate, Stone Crusher gang are one of the most dangerous gang in the world. And I said what was very sickening about this thing, it seems like it was a whole neighborhood that them used to name renegade, man and woman. And then it turned into something really, really bad. Now, me I play another clip and then me I roll it up. Because, me not lie, talk about them boy, yeah, it stress me out, dog. But me have to do it. So, make we hear how that boy yeah, dead. And then, me have to wrap it up.
On Wednesday, July 4th, not even a full day after the 5 killings in Norwood, at around 11:30 p.m., a police party stormed a house in a housing scheme called Huddersfield. Upon seeing the police, Forbes allegedly pulled a firearm from his waistband and aimed it at the lawman, who returned the fire. Riddled with bullets, Forbes was taken to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead. An inventory of his person indicated an outlaw prepared for D-Day, a 9mm Beretta pistol and 31 rounds of like ammunition, 16 chambered in the weapon and a spare magazine with 15 rounds.
Like I said, this is the second video when I do on Stone Crusher, cause me I do one video. But I realized like, man, no, I have to break this down into little bit smaller videos. This is Michael Lassie Forbes, a leader of the Stone Crusher gang. Him dead July 7, 2006. And him dead in a Arakabesa, St. Mary. The police them get a tip on him. But when you see how dangerous the Stone Crusher gang is, them reinvent violence in Jamaica. More videos on the Stone Crusher coming up. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. And click on another video. Peace, I'm out.